This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 30 part 1. If you have not subscribed this channel until now, so please subscribe this channel because there are more than 80 videos on this channel for the preparation of MCQ series, and it takes a lot of time and energy to create such kind of videos. So your subscription is really encouraging for me to just bring more such content. And secondly, if you are really getting benefit from this video series, just mention this in comment section so I can know that these video series are actually helping you. And and also share it with other students as well who do not know about this channel, so they can also take benefit from these video series in their exam preparation. So in this video we will discuss 29 MCQs on Quaid-e-Azam. First MCQ, when Quaid-e-Azam was born? Options are December 25th, 1878, December 25th, 1877, December 25th, 1876, December 25th, 1875. So third is the correct answer here, which is December 25, 1876. In which city Quaid-e-Azam born? Options are Agra, Karachi, Lucknow, Bombay. So the correct answer is Karachi. Quaid-e-Azam became the youngest Indian barrister in. Options are Harvard University, Oxford University, Lincoln Inns, Cambridge University. So third is the right answer, which is Lincoln Inns. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah was elected by Bombay Muslims to the newly constituted Imperial Legislative Council? Options are 1913, 1912, 1911, 1910. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah was elected by Bombay Muslims to a newly constituted Imperial Legislative Council in 1910. Fourth is the correct answer here. When Muslim League was established? Options are 1905, 1906, 1907, 1908. So Muslim League was established in 1906, and it is important MCQ. When Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League? Options are 1912, 1913, 1914, 1915. So Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. It is important MCQ as well. Which political leader remained the member of both Congress and Muslim League? It is very common and important MCQ. Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Quaid-e-Azam, Patel. So Quaid-e-Azam is the correct answer here because Quaid-e-Azam was a member of both Congress and Muslim League. When Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Congress? It is also important MCQ. Options are 1919, 1920, 1921, 1922. So the correct answer is 1920. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Congress in 1920. Which leader's inclusion in Muslim League was a historic event which paved way for creation of Pakistan? Options are Abul Kalam Azad, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So second is the correct answer, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Who was entitled as Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity? Options are Allama Iqbal, Liaquat Ali, Quaid-e-Azam, Chaudhry Zafar Ali. So Quaid-e-Azam is the right answer here. In which year Quaid-e-Azam pledged for incorporation of basic Muslim demands in Nehru Report? Options are 1927, 1928, 1929, 1930. So the correct answer here is 1928. Quaid-e-Azam pledged for incorporation of basic Muslim demands in the Nehru Report in 1928. When Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points? Options are January 31st, 1929, February 29th, 1929, March 21st, 1929, or April 30, 1929. So the correct answer here is March 31st, 1929. Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points on March 31st, 1929. It is an important MCQ. When Quaid-e-Azam participated in the Round Table Conference in London? Options are 1928, 1929, 1930, 1931. So the right answer is 1930. In which year Quaid-e-Azam went into self-exile in London? Options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct answer is 1931. Quaid-e-Azam went into self-exile in London in 1931 due to, options are negative attitude of Congress, chronic disunity in Muslim ranks, negative attitude of British government, A and B. So fourth is the correct answer, which is A and B. So A and B options are negative attitude of Congress and chronic disunity in Muslim ranks. So fourth is correct answer here. When Quaid-e-Azam came back to India on the appeal of Muslims, options are 1934, 1935, 1936, 1937. So 1934 is the correct answer here. Quaid-e-Azam came back to India in 1934. Quaid-e-Azam took up the leadership of Muslims in, options are 1932, 1934, 1936, 1938. So the correct answer is 1934. When Quaid-e-Azam appealed to people to observe Day of Deliverance, options are December 22nd, 1939, December 23rd, 1939, December 24th, 1939, December 25th, 1939. So first is the correct answer, which is December 27, 1939. The Day of Deliverance was observed on December 22nd, 1939 on the appeal of Quaid-e-Azam. Who presided over the annual session of Muslim League on 23rd March 1940? Options are Fazl-e-Haq, Quaid-e-Azam, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Chaudhry Khaliquz-Zaman. So second is the right answer, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Who said the Muslims are a nation by every definition of the word nation? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Quaid-e-Azam, Fazl-e-Haq. So third is the right answer, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam said that the Muslims are a nation by every definition of the word nation. Who said the Quit India movement in fact is a conspiracy to establish Hindu Raj and to finish Muslim demands? Options are Abdur Rabb Nishtar, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Liaquat Ali Khan, Quaid-e-Azam. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam said that the Quit India movement in fact is a conspiracy to establish Hindu Raj and to finish Muslim demands. So fourth is the correct answer here, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Who rejected the proposal of having a joint Governor General of Pakistan? It is important MCQ. Options are Maulana Johar, Quaid-e-Azam, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Options are Mountbatten, Abul Kalam Azad, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. When did Quaid-e-Azam take oath as first Governor General of Pakistan? Options are August 13, 1947, August 14, 1947, August 15, 1947, August 16, 1947. So third is the right answer, which is August 15, 1947, when Quaid-e-Azam took oath as the first Governor General of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam formed the new cabinet with Prime Minister. Options are Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Fazl-ul-Haq, Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Khaliquz-Zaman. So third is the right answer, which is Liaquat Ali Khan. Quaid-e-Azam died in Karachi on, options are September 10, 1948, September 11, 1948, September 12, 1948, September 13, 1948. So second is the right answer, which is September 11, 1948. Twenty-seventh MCQ is Quaid-e-Azam stayed in which city before his death? Options are Quetta, Ziyarat, Kalat, Karachi. So second is the right answer, which is Ziyarat. When Quaid-e-Azam raised slogan of faith, unity and discipline? Options are September 1941, October 1941, November 1941, December 1941. So second is the right answer, which is October 1941. It is important MCQ. In response to Gandhi's slogan of Quit India, Quaid-e-Azam countered it. Options are divide and rule, rule and divide, divide and quit, none of these. So third is the right answer, which is divide and quit. In response to Gandhi's slogan of Quit India, Quaid-e-Azam countered it with the slogan of divide and quit. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here to solve this question and to know that how many of these MCQs you have memorized. And in the end, I would say again, if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel because there are a lot more videos yet to come and it will be really beneficial for you. See you in next video.